In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the default payment method on the Doordash app. Whether you're new to the app or just need a refresher, this guide will walk you through the steps needed to modify your payment settings with ease. Let's start by opening the Doordash app on your preferred device. This app icon usually looks like a red D within a square. If you haven't already downloaded the app, you can find it in the App Store for iPhone users or Google Play Store for Android users. It's essential to make sure your app is updated to the latest version to avoid any unexpected problems. Once you've opened the app, you'll want to find the profile icon. This is located in the lower right-hand corner of your screen and might be labeled as Account. Tapping this icon will take you to your account overview. Here you'll see various options relating to your Doordash experience, but what we want to focus on is how you handle payments. Next, scroll down to find and tap on the Payment Methods option. This section contains all the details about how you can pay for orders. You'll see a list of any payment methods you've previously added, such as credit or debit cards. If you have Doordash credits, they will be displayed here as well. It's a good idea to review your Doordash credits before proceeding. These credits might come from promotional offers or previous refunds and can be used automatically before any of your saved payment methods. Becoming familiar with this section ensures you know how much credit you have ready to use, which might save you some money on your next order. Now, if you want to apply a new gift card or transfer it to your credits, you'll want to click on Redeem Gifts. This simple feature allows you to transfer gift cards into your Doordash account, converting them into usable credits toward your next purchase. This can be a great way to save on future meals and incorporate new funds into your existing balance. When you tap on Redeem Gifts, you'll be prompted to enter the gift card PIN. This number is usually found on the back of a physical card or within the email if you've received an electronic version. It's crucial to ensure that this number is entered correctly. Once verified, your credits will be updated and will automatically apply to your next purchase, if available. And there you have it. By navigating just a few simple steps in the Doordash app, you can control and modify your payment settings with confidence. Hopefully this guide helps you make your Doordash experience as smooth as possible. Remember to check back for more tutorials on getting the most out of your apps and technology. Thanks for watching and happy ordering.